Okay, in this quick video, we're going to show you how you can integrate IMSC Rapid Mailer with Optimized Press2 and similar systems. In fact, the process I'm about to show you is exactly the same as you would use with ListRocket, Lead Pages, or many other systems. Very, very similar indeed. Now, we've set up a dummy, and I use this for a lot of demos. This is a dummy Optimized Press2 blog with a sales funnel and everything else. And you can see on the home page, we've got a big call to action right here. And then on the back end over here in a blog page, we've actually got another opt-in box as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate with both of these. In Optimized Press2, if you come to blog settings, if you're using this system, I use it for everything. It's a very, very cool system. I use the first Optimized Press for quite a while. In fact, almost since it first came out, and have made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars with that system. So it's a very, very highly recommended setup for setting up sales pages, squeeze pages, funnels, blogs, and absolutely everything else. But to change that featured area and the featured areas and widgets and everything else that you might use on your theme, it's pretty much the same process. It's about processing the form. So in here, I just threw in a dummy form, but let's actually put the right form in. To do this, you need to come over to your Rapid Mailer, go to mailing lists, because you need to get the form for one of your mailing lists. So we've got test list here, click on Offsite, because that's where we generate the code. Grab that code and then come to your blog settings, paste that in, and then it will automatically process this to match. So the name is actually the first name there. Check that the email is now the email. You want to make sure they're matched up right. You can also disable the name box in this case if you want to, and select the post method, the form URL, and anything else you want to do, but that should be good. And you are all set. You can go ahead and now save those settings and you're good to go. Now for the like the sidebar one here, it'll be the same kind of process. We're going to go over to appearance and widgets. Going to go and select our widget, whatever that may be. In our case, we've already got one set up. It's sidebar opt-in right here, and I'll turn off the widget controller. This is a thing built into Jetpack, by the way. If you've never seen this, allows you to determine which pages things get shown on. It's actually pretty cool. But you'll see here it says, oh, to use this, go to blog settings and modules. So okay, fine, we'll come over here, come to modules, and you see we got the sidebar opt-in. So we'll click on that, and again, it'll say, okay, what do you want to do? You got the different color schemes, the content that you might want to replace and change with everything else, and then your opt-in. Again, same process. Grab your code from here. I click on the right tab, do that, and then again, make sure you've got your name matched to the right field, and you're good to go. Go ahead and save that, and you are done. It's literally that simple, and it works the same process with ListRocket, which if you have the list building power pack, you have access to that very, very powerful list building tool, or lead pages or anything else. All it is a case of grabbing your actual code, pasting it in, making sure it's processed it right, in other words, mapped it out, and you are good to go. So that's basically it. We wanted to keep that one short and sweet and give you everything you needed to get rocking and rolling and start building your lists. So there you go. Have fun and rock and roll with IMSC Rapid Mailer.